When I first started this business, I knew from where I worked before that it was hard to get people to try Tadano. You know, they'd never tasted them before. And once they started getting them, they realized what a great product it was. The maintenance and upkeep on the Tadanos is just minuscule compared to the competitors' products.
In the product of Tadano, we know the reliability. And I was fortunate last year to go to the plants in Japan, and just even the culture of the people over there, they don't jeopardize the quality of the product. And it was something to see firsthand. They don't skip steps, you know.
In my experience, the biggest advantage with working with Tadano has been low-cost ownership and reliability, period. You start it up in the morning, runs all day long. You're not fighting leaks, you're not chasing issues, you're not chasing electrical problems. Very operator friendly. One of the biggest compliments from operators that have never sat in the seat is how easy they are to operate. These machines just, they keep working, and we've seen that day in and day out.
Most important part is just getting people back up and going. Everybody just wants their machine to run and so they can make money. That's what we're all here for, is to keep things rolling. The biggest challenge of being in the crane industry is finding people that have the answers you need, and Tadano does. When we call the guys at TAC, those guys are always helpful, or even if we're dealing with the guys that are out in field service, if we're in over our heads or just spinning our wheels, they're always there to help us and support us, try and get somebody out as quickly as they possibly can.
We make sure customers get the parts they need by being efficient in PitCube and the online parts portal. I think the most common challenge customers face with parts today is that parts in general can be shocking price-wise, but we help combat that by keeping our prices as low as possible. Tadano does a great job of stocking a wide range of parts so that we can drop ship anywhere, anytime we need.
The way I support them is working directly with Jeff to make sure that these customers have a relationship with us, they get to know us, for the opportunity to see what their needs are in the future. You have to have that relationship built off of your integrity and trust. You want those customers to come back and call you first rather than the competition. It means everything in this industry, and that's what I admire about Exact Crane. Their interaction with customers, the reputation, the relationships that they built. You'll continue to get that business if you have that reputation, and I can tell that that's what they've done over their career.